The top 20 verbs in Arabic. Verb number 15. كان يكون. To be. كان يكون. I know you may have been told that we don't use verb to be in Arabic in the present tense, and that's not true. It's true that we don't use it in sentences like I'm a teacher. We don't say I am a teacher. We just say I teacher. أنا مدرس. We use it, on the other hand, when we describe things that happen in the present tense in general. In other words, things that happen in the present simple. And this is the first condition. The second condition is that the clause doesn't have a verb. So, for example, if you are usually hungry in the morning, you will say أنا بكون جعان الصبح. You will not say أنا جعان الصبح. Because if you say أنا جعان, this means I'm hungry. That refers to now. But you're talking about something that happens generally. Follow me to know all the 20 verbs and sign up to my Patreon account to get all the PDF files that I've created for these verbs.